Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I got some Thelmas today. I got a lot of food because I'm hungry. But I'll show you guys what I got. The Portuguese sausage, bacon, spam fried rice with fried pork and scrambled eggs. This is actually not what I ordered, so I'm kind of irritated, but it is what it is, my love. Easter Sunday weekend. Now I gotta add the Tabasco. Gonna fly out tomorrow, so going to my cousin Baby Griff's reception today in Waianae, and then I'm gonna go to celebrate with the Vasquez side tomorrow. And I got this, the Thelma special. But this doesn't even look like garlic fried rice, so I'm kind of mad about that. Oh, maybe it is. So, eggs, put that on there. That's what that looks like. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna eat this one first. So, this week was kind of a weird one. I don't know if I can talk about it yet, but yeah, I don't think I want to talk about it. Basically, I got into a little squabble, but it is what it is. Do a story time on that later. This is the chili sauce. It was such a weird week. I had to wait at the airport on Sunday to fly back to Lanai for at 4 p.m. Stood there till 9:30. I actually flew to Lanai, circled the island twice, and flew back to Oahu because the roads were so not clear, which is kind of nuts. This is good. I actually was asleep the whole plane ride, so I woke up back in Oahu. I was like, what the heck? Why does this airport look like Oahu? Yeah, I ended up getting what's it called? I ended up getting some McDonald's while we were waiting to still fly out. Ended up canceling the flights. So we flew out Monday, noon I believe. So get there noon, supposed to go diving. But as you can see, I'm really hungry. I've been starving after class. I've been starving since after class. But one of my coworkers just irritated me. I was supposed to what was it called? Go diving, but you know when I plan things, I like to plan things out. I like to have it figured out. Like, I'm gonna go there at this time, pick me up at this time. So when people start telling me I'm pick you up this time, end up picking me up later. Tell me he's gonna be over here, end up being somewhere else. It's like I get irritated. I already got rescheduled with the flights. Then the next day I had to fly. Now I'm planning to go diving, and then I'm not even going diving at the time that we said we were going. It's like I can go with the flow if it's just like a lazy day, but don't plan anything with me and then don't follow through with the plans. That's the kind of stuff I don't like. Or just don't invite me. You know, don't invite me to. You mad, bro? Don't invite me out. Okay. I don't care to go with you if you act like that. But at the end of the day, I'm not really mad. It's like, it's more so annoying. Like, I don't got time for that kind of stuff. Man, it's fast. move on to the next plate though. But yeah,
had a rain out again. It's so crazy how much rainouts we be having. Cause like, why the hell we be having all these rainouts?
when we work on a different island, like we want to work, you know. But I mean,
It is what it is.
you know what I'm saying? Two more Tabascos. Actually, it just sucks though when it rains out, because then it messes up your plans, and like you want to go work out or you want to go do this, but then like you plan out your day and then it doesn't follow through. So yeah, one of my favorite foods is actually lechon quality. Y'all see that? Look at that fried pork. But yeah, I actually gained weight this week, so I didn't meal prep. I've actually been doing really bad on my diet this week, but I did quit smoking cigarettes, which is cool. But at the same time, I know last time I quit smoking, I was really stressed. So I drank more, which made me more stressed. And it's like, I don't know. I really don't know. But man, it was so good. Honestly, it's just like, I'm so hard to think so fast about what I gotta do this weekend. Like, I gotta go do this. I gotta go do that. And it's like, I only got a day and a half to do anything. And I probably tell you guys this all the time, because I got school on Saturdays, right? So it's like I only got a day and a half. Friday night to Sunday afternoon. So like I said, I got school today. I went to go do my taxes. I gotta eat. Take my brother to cut his hair. I'm gonna do some laundry at home, some chores. I gotta go. So fancy. I gotta go to the wedding tonight. We gotta go to what is it called? The basket side tomorrow. I'm going to Ali'i Beach Park. But I'm from a beach, so Ali'i's all the way in Haleiwa. It's so far, so I gotta be at the airport at 3 to make my 4 p.m. flight. So it's like, since my last name is Africa, I'm Abe, so I'm one of the first guys to fly out. Sundays, if we have a holiday on a Sunday, sorry, we gotta fly out first. Or even like Super Bowl Sunday, stuff like that. Say bye for us. But like that guy from the song saying, "It is what it is, my love." Wow. Sorry, I'm smacking. On my Slurpee. So mad they only had lemon drop and strawberry. I usually get banana and hapio. But I really need to get it together. Speaking of things that irritate me, I guess. So I got a cousin. When I got home yesterday, we were just texting in a group chat. Like 3 of us in the group chat, 4 of us in the group chat. and I sent a video, or I sent some clip or something. And when I see them in person, I'm like, oh, you want to see the rest of the video or something like that? And he's like, what video are you talking about? It's like, you was just in the group chat yesterday. What other video would I be talking about? And it's for my brother, but I'm gonna eat some. But yeah, it's just so annoying. Like, a lot of people gotta act so stupid. I don't get it. Like, why you act like you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about? Oh, I'm sorry, I just swore. But seriously, I get so irritated. Like, why are you acting like you don't know? It's not even acting. It's just like people act stupid. I don't know why people act stupid. It's like, if people are stupid, that's fine. It's okay. It's okay to be stupid. You know, God gave you a brain, and whatever He gave you, sorry, that's what you're working with. But when you act stupid, now that's a it's a cheese and rice problem. I don't get it. Like, what do you get out of acting stupid? And to me, it's like, you don't get anything. It's like, you don't care enough to keep the conversation going or give some of the respect to answer right. You know, it's like, I don't know what you're talking about. You know what we're talking about. You don't care to talk about it, I guess. But at that point, it's just like, why even entertain the conversation then? You know, if you don't care to have the conversation, really, don't have the conversation. So I can be having conversation with way more than other people. And just stop. Because it's like fried in the brain though. It's like, you'll literally send a meme and he'll be like, who's that? It's like, what are you talking about? Who is that? How do we know? It's a meme, dummy. I don't know. People just be irritating me. And another thing that irritates me, Filipinos. They always want, especially the older Filipinos, or like local people from Hawaii in general, the older generation and their idea of respect. It's like, I respect my elders. I have respect for my elders. But like, Hawaii locals, some of them are calming down, like the older generation especially, and especially Filipinos. They be like wanting you to bow down to them, and it's so annoying. It's like, you're not my dad. I don't know if you guys seen that meme before. Is it still a meme if it's like a video though? I don't know, memes are like pictures. But is it considered a meme if it's a video? It's like an old Vine video. A little boy was like, you're not my dad! Holy. Damn, that went straight. Now my throat. Jesus H. Christ. This is so good though. Vinegar. Vinegar, Filipino city sauce. Yeah, anyway. Alright, those are the few things that irritate me. Not scheduling stuff. Like I said, I can be I can be a go with the flow kind of person, but if you tell me a schedule and then we don't follow that schedule, nah, just tell me we just gonna flow. But yeah, so non-scheduling or misscheduling, people who act stupid purposely because they don't care or they're too selfish, and older generations, especially Filipinos, demanding respect in a way that's like, you better respect me, you better bow down. And yeah, those are, that's so gross. Something that irritates me. Alright, wait. If you guys don't have this game, go get it. It's a really good card game. I'm gonna try to play it this week so I can try to work on, oh, their bacon is thick. I don't like that kind of bacon. My Jima loves that kind of bacon. The thick one. Alright, just give me a regular crispy, please. But I am trying to work on controlling the amount of alcohol consumption during the week that I intake. Well, like I said, I did just quit smoking cigarettes, so why can't you just smoke cigarettes and drink alcohol and not let it affect your health? Why does it have to affect your health so bad? Because it's bad. Bacon. Back. I put luncheon meat in here too. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna show you guys Thelma's special. That's the lechon kawali with 2 eggs, any style, and then rice. You can substitute it for fried rice or garlic rice. Then I got the fried pork with bacon, Portuguese sausage, spam, fried rice, scrambled eggs. And I got the pork double omelet, and we got short stacks. And I'm about to turn into a short stack soon. So I'll give y'all some juice on what happened this week too. But I just don't wanna say too much. You feel me? But guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Should give it a likes up, thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Share it if you want. Let me know where you guys want me to try next. There's so many good foods that I really want to try. I haven't even tried Curry House over here. I'm like outside of Mimi's, right across from Pro Ridge. But yeah, we're over here. Oh, that's my poop pillow. Yeah. But alright, guys. Hope you guys have a good week. Blessed Sunday. Happy Easter. And yeah, see you guys at my next video. Alright, shoots.